Hi guys, this is a video for my personal channel. In this channel I speak about everything that is into my head. But today I want to speak about some game mastering tips for role-playing games. So I want to speak about the use of the dogs in as a companions in role-playing games, say dogs or wolves, even if the two must be treated a little bit different. So as I see, dogs are used just like some background companion and are just unleashed when the party attacks orcs, monsters and stuff like that. So a dog is just another like melee attack. But in real life a dog is not that, of course. A dog has a super keen sense of smell, a super sense of hearing. A dog is always, when you walk, like 10 feet 10 feet forward, and a dog would notice some monsters, even the tiniest animal approach the party long before the point party member even sees it. So a dog is not just another melee attack, but it's like a big radar. It must be treated in role-playing games as a great advantage to a party. It's like an AWACS. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you know, those big airplanes with the radar on the top. Those planes that they fly and they coordinate. Sorry, I was about to fall down. And they coordinate mission for fighter jets and so on. So they must be treated, dogs, very carefully by say a dungeon master or a game master, and they are really a gift for a party to have. Not only a nuisance, sorry for the pronounce, or like food stealers, or like something that always the GM forgot about it, and then, oh yes, there is the dog, he must attack too, and so on. So beware of the dog. Like, please, GMs, DMs, treat dogs in role-playing games very, very, very carefully. For the wolves, it's another matter, because the wolf is a wild animal. It cannot be tamed, because the wolf loses very, very fast concentration. While you can teach something to a dog, because the dog listens to you, watches you, and so on, the wolf would be only annoyed by your teaching and would very fastly lose concentration and so on. Also, I read some ethologies studies compared to the mind of a wolf, the mind of a dog, it's more like the one of a wolf pup. I don't know if you can understand me. The mind of a wolf is very, how can I say, is more complex, because it has inside all the social behavior given by like pack rankings, pack dynamics, and stuff like that. Okay, whilst the dog is a member of a human pack. It's very different. But anyway, that's my tip of the day for the GMs of any role-playing game. Okay, bye.